The benefits of taking a walk in the nature. Today, I didn't work out. I wake up at 5 a.m. I cook my breakfast, eat, learn, sleep, cook again, eat again, sleep again. And now I feel dumb. Usually a walk outside will relax my mind. It will bring something like a fresh energy to my body. I know nothing about the long-term benefits. It needs investigating, it needs study. But in each day, I feel I will be fresher if I walk out, if I walk under the tree, if I walk in the nature. Not stay inside a room, inside a building, not close too much to people. When I disconnect with modern world and stay nearby the nature, I feel me again. And how about you? What do you think when you walk in the nature?